It's hard enough for small businesses in San Diego just to stay open during this pandemic. Today, we profile one that's not only doing so, but also managed to pivot its production line to help healthcare workers at the same time. My co-anchor Steve Atkinson has that story from his home studio. Hi, Steve.
For years, we have watched this small Pacific Beach company grow into a powerful e-commerce sunglasses maker, and they had no idea how many of their customers actually worked on the front lines of the healthcare industry until this crisis hit. So overnight, they pivoted and they went from producing sunglasses to protective eyewear.
We sent our team home to work from home, and then we just wanted to make moves as soon as we could.
That's Chase Fisher, the founder of San Diego-based Blenders Eyewear. The 31-year-old's company is known for its flashy sunglasses, but when the pandemic hit, it was time to pivot.
You really need to come from a place of community, a place of empathy, a place of support and a place of love, right? I mean, that's what we're able to do very quickly, which is really good.
So Chase and Blenders got on the phones with their manufacturers and came up with this: goggles for healthcare workers on the front lines. This weekend, they delivered 10,000 goggles to Scripps Hospitals, Sharp Hospitals, and UCLA Medical Center in Los Angeles. Another 20,000 will go to hospitals in New York through the Direct Relief Foundation to make sure those healthcare workers on the front lines have what they need.
I mean, our goal is to really make an impact, and really do it in a tangible way.
But like many other retailers, the pandemic hit at the worst possible time. Blenders started as an online e-commerce business back in 2011, and less than a year ago opened its first store in Pacific Beach.
You just opened up your first store
Yeah.
recently. How has this affected Blenders?
We're a lot more mobile than other businesses, considering like retail and restaurants literally had to shut down. So, but March 15th, when this whole thing happened, it was scary. Like sales tanked overnight.
And yet, when the pandemic hit, Fisher and his teammates jumped right in to help.
Thousands of customers, literally thousands of customers that are on the front lines battling this thing. And we just didn't know that until this happened. So with that in mind, and the San Diego community that's had our back since day one, like it was full throttle, whatever we can do to support it.
A portion of the sales from all of Blenders sunglasses will go to the nonprofit Direct Relief with the goal of raising about $100,000. We have more information on that in this story on our on our website at 10news.com. There are 31 employees with Blenders right now ready to take your order to help Direct Relief. Kim, back to you.
All right. Thank you, Steve.